Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put ads on your YouTube videos in 2021. That's mean how you can make money with YouTube ads. But before that, just remember that you need that your channel monetize from YouTube, and that means you need to have at least 1000 subscribers and you need to have at least 4,000 hours watching time. If your channel is monetized, then just go to your YouTube studio and you see here monetization, and you can see here it's green, that means is monetized. If I want to select this video, for example, you see here the icon monetization, just click here and you can select now monetization is on. You can also select off, but if it's off, that means you will not make any money at all. And here you can select what kind of ads you want. You have here overlay ads, sponsor cards, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads. But I recommend you just leave it as it's are, like this. And if you change anything here, then just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to put ads on your YouTube videos. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.